Hey everybody, I'm in nearpod and we're going to talk about the 3D image option that nearpod has. So as you can see, I've already started adding a few, but in our editing mode here in nearpod, you're going to either click on this plus sign or the add new. Either way, it's going to open you to your menu of options that you can add. And you're going to scroll down to the green section where we see nearpod 3D. This is going to give you a little bit of information about what they are, but it's going to also allow us to add one of these 3D options. So I'm clicking on that blue option at the bottom. So it's going to actually open me up to the Nearpod library, and it always opens up on staff picks. So these are some of Nearpod's favorites. Along the left-hand side, you'll see the categories, amazing places and things, ancient times, environment, human body, and microscopic. So these 3D images are going to allow students to manipulate and explore the images that you see on the screen. There are about 100 of these options. So let's say I want to do the leaning tower. I'm going to select it so that it's blue around the outside. And at the top here, I can preview this so I can see what my students are going to see. So you'll notice that as I use my mouse, I can actually get a three-dimensional view of this particular object. I can also zoom in and zoom out with my mouse as well. So if I wanted to get a more up close view of something and then manipulate it, I can do that there. And it's just a very engaging way to introduce objects or places with your students. So let's say I think that this is great. I want to use it. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Save button. And as you see, it's added it as a slide to my Nearpod lesson. And from here, I can then launch my Nearpod lesson and the students will be able to explore the way we just did.